My name is Dladla. My position at RCL is the manufacturing executive. My job at RCL Foods is to ensure that the operations has got the capability to meet the customer requirements. It's all integrated. When you look at the chicken business as a whole, you are looking at the agri part of the business to the processing plant, to the distribution side, and then from distribution into the customer. I started as an apprentice electrician. Me starting from a bottom helped me to actually be a full-rounded electrical engineer. Then I decided, with a well-rounded experience that I got, I can actually move into operations. If you're a manufacturing executive, a part of your job, you also manage the engineers as well. So the background in engineering actually helps you to make the right decisions. As a business, what we are trying to do in terms of the environment, to actually a reduction of what we take from a grid, from electricity perspective. So that means that from that plant, we'll actually be generating half of the electricity that we use in the plant in Rustenburg. This is what I've seen compared to the previous companies where I've been before. Is that in other companies, most of the time, if you are an electrical engineer, you get, you focus on electrical engineering projects. And if you're a mechanical, you focus on the mechanical, mostly on the mechanical side. If you come to RCL, you don't come to RCL as a specialist. You are expected to be an all-round engineer. You are given a project, and from the inception of that project to the commissioning or handing over of that project, you are responsible. What it means is that you become an all-rounded engineer at the end of the day. So most of the graduate engineers that have joined us, in about 5-6 years ago, they've actually got their GCC now, the government certificate of competency. Reason for that, when they go and write their GCC exam, they actually pass the first time. Reason for that is that the opportunities are there for you. So once you've got that experience in terms of leadership, you can actually go anywhere. What we look at, you have to be technically, you have to be sound in terms of your experience, in terms of leadership as well. There has to be a balance. You've got handymans, machine minder, boiler makers, etc. that are actually working for you. So as an engineer, leadership is important. If you want to become a good, all-rounded engineer, you have to be at RCL Foods.